setting up a home base here in Florida.
It's my furniture, I want it now!
We're gonna take you along on this journey. We keep on having this problem where there's crabs all over our house. Cue the intro!
Give it a go, don't waste your time, cause you're running out. Give it a go and ask her out. Only takes a try, yeah. Even if she tells you no, then at least you know. So give it a go, give it a go.
Before we took a year-long trip around the world, we sold almost everything we owned. Our cars, our house, all of our furniture, everything. So we had to start over from scratch.
The first step on setting up a home base is getting a car.
Because you need a car to transport you to your apartment, buy furniture, mattresses, and all of the rest of the stuff.
This is the car we're looking at. It's a Mitsubishi Outlander.
The model we wanted was out of stock and they wouldn't have any more for weeks. We looked at other car dealers and they were all experiencing the same thing. This was a problem because we were renting a car in Florida and the longer we waited to buy a car, the more money it would cost.
$32,000.
But in the midst of car shopping, we stopped into a mattress store and ordered mattresses that could be delivered on move-in day.
Right now we are looking for cars in the rain. We've been looking everywhere and everybody's out of new cars. So we keep striking out.
Until we came across this Hyundai dealership. Dad walked in, asked if they had 2 cars that they could sell to us right now.
And I think they might have one. Or actually 2. I need a business card.
Are they going to give us a discount to put this on YouTube?
No.
That would be really cool.
Mom, we can buy the car right now if we want to.
You want that car?
These
These
are
are dealer cars that they use for a couple months.
So right now we're gonna try to get 2 Elantras.
So while Mom and Dad were filling out paperwork, we went inside to dance because we had finally gotten a car.
Are you sure? This right here is my new car.
And Dad was introduced to his new ride.
This is eventually my car. Dad's car for now. My car.
She was mine. Give your dad a hard time. Your mom knows.
And there we have it. We just bought 2 cars.
So we took 1 car home with us and we'd have to go back to get the other car when we dropped the rental car off.
I don't want no fine furniture store. I want cheap furniture store, like cheap. I want to walk in there, get the furniture, and walk out. I don't want to send it with 2-day delivery. I don't care about Amazonian. I want my furniture. It's my furniture. I want it now.
Right now we're shopping for furniture.
Just like the cars, one of the dilemmas we kept coming across was that everything was out of stock.
We really like this table, so we're really hoping that they have this in stock. And this is what we're looking at for our bed set. So they didn't have anything of what we wanted in stock, so we're gonna go try another store.
No luck, we're headed to Palmetto and they have a store there, so we're gonna go check out that one.
Okay, let's try this again. So we got this one, but it's actually gonna be this color. We got this dresser, a nightstand, and a mirror. And Mom and Dad got this bed set. By the way, this gets delivered tomorrow. All of it. We have to go move into our new apartment. Home.
It's day 3 of starting our new life and it was time to move into our apartment. We actually signed a lease 1 month ago when we had stopped in Florida before going on the transatlantic cruise. After living in hotels for a year, it felt so refreshing to walk into our brand new home.
Dining room, then we got the half bath, washer and dryer.
Because we were out of the country, we didn't get to see our apartment before we moved in, but we were pleasantly surprised.
Oh, I love it. Actually, this is like homey.
Okay, let's get to our bedroom. We got stairs for the first time in our life. So comfy, the stairs. This is our bed. This is actually a big walk-in closet. We could put a dresser in here, Mom. That's like really nice. A nice curtain, some soap in, 2 walk-in closets.
We don't have a bed.
Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive.
And shortly after we got the keys to our apartment, the deliveries arrived.
Our mattresses are here for delivery.
Car, nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive.
Looks like our furniture is here. Can you unlock the trunk?
I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me.
This is us eating our lunch on our luggage because our table had not been put together yet.
We don't have a table, so we're using our luggages.
This is what our home looked like after everything had been dropped off. We wanted to have a good night's sleep tonight, so we ran to Walmart to get some essentials for the house and some sheets for the bed.
We got a YouTube channel. Oh, you do? Yeah, they travel bloggers.
After we we did some serious damage at Walmart, it was time to bring it all home.
Right up here, Mom.
Now you know how to set up a curtain. Yeah, you kind of have to stretch it. There you go. I like it though. It looks nice. You guys picked a good one.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna put on the waterproof mattress first. Here, let me come and help you. This is kind of like confusing because, oh, there's way too many orbs over here. They're not orbs. Okay, you can look at it later. Stop freaking me out, okay? They look like it. We're gonna have to cut this out. Mom, cut this out. And that's how you make a bed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Bye! We got the internet now.
Good thing. All right, now Rory and Sage World Class can go back online. We got the goods.
You gonna show us, give us a tour?
This is a fork I'm making out of the furniture boxes.
While we were playing with boxes, Mom and Dad were setting up the furniture. And of course, we helped a little too.
Okay, so now I'm unpacking this box of my clothes that I kept. I just kept about 1 bin of clothes, and I'm really questioning why I ever needed so much clothes. I have a drawer full of shirts. I have a drawer full of more shirts. Where's all this? I mean, there's only 7 days in a week. Why do you need 30 shirts? This is weird.
And we're having a little celebration for our new home. Woo! Cake, please.
There was also another run to Walmart in the midst of all of this too. And you can't forget about those Florida thunderstorms. In addition to setting up an apartment, we also need to take care of our health. And that means going to the dentist.
We are here to get our teeth cleaned.
We also hadn't played any sports or had any formal exercise over the last year. So Mom signed us up for a swim program at the YMCA to get us back in shape. Mom also started running again too, which was good for her health as well. On day 7, it was time for Rory to go to the orthodontist. Rory was in the middle of her orthodontic treatment when we left to travel the world. So we brought her back to the orthodontist so they could finish out the treatment on her teeth.
We are in here getting our school uniforms.
As you can see, school would be starting up soon, so we needed to get school uniforms for the upcoming school year. And we also needed to get school supplies.
So we just did all of our school shopping.
How do you feel about going back to school?
I feel happy because I get to see all my friends, but also it's very nerve-wracking because you don't know how they're gonna react.
Do you think they're gonna be excited to see you?
Yes.
I think they will be too. What do you think you're going to miss about homeschooling when you go back to regular school?
I'm gonna miss that I can learn at my own pace with homeschool. Like math, I can work really fast and then I can slow down if I need to.
Okay, the next part isn't really part of our move, but we're including it anyways.
Right now, I'm wrapping presents for Sage's birthday.
Just like we did in Fiji for my birthday, we covered Sage's bed with balloons. And we had a nice day out with our family celebrating Sage's 10th birthday. Tour in our actual house.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Go! Welcome to our room. So first you have my bed, then my bed, and then we have our closet, and lots of luggage.
And lots of luggage.
Just in case.
There you have it. This is how you set up a new life in about 7 days, plus a birthday.
We keep on having this problem where there's crabs all over our house. So we have a solution. Trap it in this laundry basket.